Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And the OnePlus 6T is just a few weeks away now. In this video, let's talk about the top 5 features that you're going to see in the OnePlus 6T from all the leaks and rumors from OnePlus themselves and many other sources. So with that being said, let's get on to this video. Number 1 is going to be the specs. It's not very interesting, but yeah, this phone for its price will have a Snapdragon 845, 8GB of RAM, 64 to 156 or 512GB of storage, and the latest and greatest from Adreno in terms of the GPU and a bigger battery compared to the OnePlus 6. That's something we have appreciated from OnePlus for a long time, and yeah, it's going to be carrying forward with the OnePlus 6T as well. Number 2 is going to be the bigger battery, and this is interrelated to the no headphone jack on the OnePlus 6T. Because they don't have a headphone jack, it allows OnePlus to increase the battery capacity as there is more space inside the phone. So there's more physical space, so the battery capacity might go up to 3500 milliamps on the OnePlus 6T, and a bigger battery is always appreciated. Number 3 is going to be the in-display fingerprint scanner, and this is something that we've all been waiting for. There isn't a phone on the market with an in-display fingerprint scanner that everyone can buy in the US and every other country. Now OnePlus 6T with the in-display fingerprint scanner changes that, because it's going to be available in North America, it's going to be available in Asia and a bunch of other countries around the world. So that's a win-win for all of us who wanted to try out the in-display fingerprint scanner as our daily driver material. And I hope it's going to be the fastest in-display fingerprint scanner that we have ever seen comparing to other phones that I've tried, but it's not that great. So if OnePlus is doing it, we have to expect something really good. Number 4 is going to be the teardrop notch or the water droplet notch. It looks very simple, minimal, and a thought out design. It's not going to be in your face, and you should be less annoyed that there's a notch on your phone. Comparing to the iPhone 10 and some other phones, or a lot of other phones that went into the notch bandwagon, the OnePlus 6T and some other phones from Oppo and Vivo are changing that. With the water droplet notch, it's just a cutout for the front-facing camera, and you're getting a lot of screen real estate. So on the OnePlus 6T, you're getting up to 90% or more screen-to-body ratio, and that's something really good in a modern-day flagship. Number 5 is going to be the pricing. It's going to remain the same comparing to the OnePlus 6. So yeah, it'll start at $529 for the base variant. That is the same pricing as the OnePlus 6. For all the upgrades that OnePlus 6T is bringing compared to the OnePlus 6, the pricing is something that I love, and that's something I appreciate from OnePlus. Although there's some fierce competition in the market, like the Pocophone F1 and a bunch of other phones bringing the same kind of specifications, but nothing is going to be the same as the OnePlus 6T. There's some other rumors like wireless charging and IP68 water resistance, but that's something that I don't think will happen, because that's something OnePlus should save for the next big upgrade, not a T upgrade. The T upgrades are usually an incremental one, maybe specs and things here and there. But yeah, in my opinion, the OnePlus 6T is still a really big upgrade, and I think it will do really well in the market. That's about it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something new about the OnePlus 6T. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Hit the notification thingy so if you don't miss out on uploads in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and roll the outro.